All right. So we begin with Amazon Web Services, and I informed you that it's going to 30 hours program. So I'm going to repeat certain things because there are two students who have joined today only. All right. And so Anoop is there, Rajan is there, Haraka, are you there?
Yeah.
Okay. And one more person is there. What's your name?
I think Ujjwal. Ujjwal, are you there?
Mukund. Mukund.
Mukunda, are you there? What the heck? Nobody say any answer.
Okay. So,
I guess, yeah, I think he's texting. I think he's, I don't know. I think he just text on WhatsApp.
all right, no problem.
Even
So,
late.
Okay. Uh, uh, Dheeraj,
yeah, Rajan, tell me.
just wait. I'm gonna call Ujjwal, okay? Because he know about the new access or not.
Okay.
Dheeraj,
Yeah, Rajan.
let's go start.
So, let's get started. And till now, the topics that we have covered is about the cloud computing, what exactly the cloud computing is. So the entire course is divided into 10 modules. And the first module is introduction and getting started with AWS. So till now we have understood the points like AWS global infrastructure and its benefits, how to choose the regions. Then we have talked about EC2 instances. So let us dig more into AWS. So cloud computing is all about virtualization. Okay, it's a process of virtualization wherein everything is virtualized, be it operating systems, servers, storage devices, routers, switches, everything is virtualized. Okay, then there are different certifications for AWS. There are 6 certifications all in all, and our focus will be on AWS Solutions Architect Associate. Okay, then we also discussed about what are the expectations or what are the deliverables from an AWS Associate Architect. So cloud computing is anything that follows the virtualization. Okay, so cloud computing very much follows virtualization, and virtualization is the process of virtualizing an operating system, server, storage devices, or routers or switches. So these are the niche players in AWS. Amazon is the clear leader with 75% market share, then followed by Google, Windows, Microsoft Azure, VMware, etc. So the market share for AWS right now is 75%. Okay, that is old data in 2016. If we go by the latest report of 2017, the market share is 75%. Okay, then we have here the course that we are focusing on right now is AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate, and these are the deliverables. These are going to be the deliverables which will be expected from you in the job. Like there are 60 services in AWS. You will be required to choose the right service and save the cost for the client. You will have to save the cost on hardware by virtualizing the things. Then you will be required to migrate the database from the data center to AWS. You will be required to create the hybrid cloud like data center and AWS amalgamation. So you will be required to mix both of them. So everything will be covered in this training session so that you can demonstrate this experience in your interviews or during the job. Okay. Now, I told you that there are 50 services which are provided by AWS. So on the compute side, we have EC2 Elastic Beanstalk. So you can see here, compute side, we have EC2 Elastic Beanstalk, Lambda, auto scaling. We will be discussing all of them. Then on the storage side, all of us have heard about Dropbox, right? Dropbox at the backend uses S3. So we will be covering S3, that is a simple storage service, and we will be covering CloudFront, EBS, Glacier, Snowball, etc. And on the database side, we will be covering RDS, DynamoDB, Elasticache, And on the networking end, we will be covering things like VPC, Route 53, Elastic Load Balancer, Direct Connect. Then there are some management tools which are available, using which we can perform the health of AWS infrastructure using tools like CloudWatch, CloudFormation, CloudTrail, OpsWorks, etc. Then IAM, all of us have heard about IAM, that is Identity and Access Management. So we will be covering that as well, including key management service. Then on the application side, we will be covering simple email service, simple notification service, and simple queue service. So I believe all of us have signed for a free AWS account till now, free tier AWS account. So we have Anoop has done that. Rajan, have you done that? Okay. Haraka, have you done that?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm in hospital now. I already logged in.
Okay, great. How about you,
I
Rajan?
did.
Okay, good. All right. So once you sign up with the AWS account, let me show you how does it look like. So this is how it looks like, AWS account.
Now, Dheeraj, I have a question.
Yeah, tell me.
Okay, so I I got a message in WhatsApp. There's just some friend got a $4 and something saying in the charge on the account for AWS services. I don't know why it's charged for the $4 and something charges. So it's gonna happen that type of problem in my account too, or anybody account too, or just like a mistake for the AWS.
So $4, did he really get charged? Does the amount reflect in his bank statement also?
I think
Because
so.
yeah, because AWS generate the invoice, but they never deduct the money from your account. So that's the big question, whether the money has been taken out from the account or not.
So actually this is a 12-month for the free charge, yeah.
That's right.
We can install, we can build anything like that. There's no any charge, yeah.
No, it's not like that. There is a terms and conditions involved. So in free tier, you get 750 hours per month of Linux instance. So if you have a Linux instance, you can run it for like 750 hours per month, and you can run a Windows instance. So one particular instance you can run day in and day out, 24/7 basis for 1 month, for 1 year, 1 year. But if you want to run more than one instance, then there is a charge attached to it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
So
They will give us refund later.
yes, accounts you can check from here. Like you can go under your name, and you can go in my billing and dashboard, and everything you can check from here, like how much have you been billed. So right now I have been billed $0, nothing.
Yeah, I went there. I went there yesterday, and it gives me like $4 or something like that. I don't know.
$4, right? But
Oh, the account balance for $64.
how much is it showing there?
$64.
$64. Then probably did you run the EC2 instance?
Yeah. I did yesterday.
Yeah. So the thing is, if you do not need anything on AWS, please shut it down or please terminate it, because you never know that when AWS might charge you anything. So the best thing is to keep the slate clean. Okay.
Yeah.
How do
Dheeraj,
do that?
I see on the account, but there is a $0.
Yeah. So $0 is fine.
How do I do this? Because I have like 3 instances running.
Yeah, 3 instance. So for how long they have been running?
It was since last night, I guess.
Last night. Okay. So in that case, you need not to worry, but terminate them as early as possible. Okay.
How do you do that?
Yeah.
Do go to action? No.
You have to contact with the support center if you charge any bill.
Yes, but first of all, because once they charge you, it will be very difficult for them to refund. So they might not refund you, but it has to be a proactive approach. Rather than contacting the customer center, it's better to terminate the instances. AWS will never charge you unnecessarily.
Yeah, I don't know, because I just create by watching on YouTube, and I just leave like that. I just created 3 instance for Windows Server,
Mm-hmm.
and I don't know how do I just terminate this. How do I remove this?
So it's very easy. I'm gonna explain you each and everything right now in today's class.
Yeah, yeah, sure. But I just need to get rid of this one because they're gonna charge more,
Hmm.
because they only
So
charge me like more. Let me see
just
on my
go
phone. Yeah,
just go into actions.
access. Just one second.
Yeah, instance state.
Just give me a second. Hold on. EC2.
Everybody.
Yeah, where? I have 3 running instance.
Yeah, select
So
the instance that you want to terminate.
Yeah,
Go to
action.
actions.
Yeah,
Go to instance state.
now where's the action?
and stop.
Terminate.
Oh yeah, terminate. Yes, terminate.
Where's
Damn,
that? Hey, Dheeraj.
they will not gonna refund me because they are. This is.
Yeah, Rajan. Rajan, you need to. Have you created any instance?
No, I did not.
Okay, then you need not to worry. Okay.
Okay.
Then you're safe, man. Yeah,
Okay. Have they already charged you $64?
no, I'm just looking. Yeah, go ahead and start a class. I will see on my statement.
Okay, no problem, no problem.